तो ये जो बातचीत है उसको आगे बढ़ाते हुए विवाह संबंधी बातचीत है, मैरिज निगोशिएशन, उसको फर्दर जब उनकी मुलाकात होती है तो देखिए क्या क्या बातें होती है, लड़के और लड़की की मुलाकात कैसे होती है नेक्स्ट टाइम। मिस्टर कपूर, गुड इवनिंग मिस्टर पुरी, गुड इवनिंग, वेलकम, प्लीज कम इन, प्लीज बी सीटेड, दिस इज माई डॉटर प्रिया। नमस्कार, दिस इज माई सन सुमित, प्लीज हैव समथिंग कोल्ड, मतलब लीजिए ठंडा लीजिए। सो हाउ इज एवरीथिंग मिस्टर पुरी? फाइन बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस, थैंक यू। आई थिंक रेनूज एग्जाम आर ओवर। यस, they were over on the 20th of this month, 20th of this month। नौकर चाय मिठाई और नमकीन लाता है तो देखिए क्या होते, सुमित ऑफर स्नैक्स एंड स्वीट्स टू एवरीवन। नो थैंक्स आंटी, आई डोंट टेक टी, प्रिया कह रही है, पूरी मिसेस पूरी। हैव समथिंग एल्स देन, हैव सम मोर कोक। नो थैंक्स, ओके, हैव सम बर्फी एंड नमकीन, thank you। Pick up one piece and then he said thank you। Priya, she said thank you। Where is Renu? I'll call her। अंदर से रेनू को बुलाकर लाती है। नमस्कार रेनू, come sit near me। So your exam are over? Yes। What are you doing these days? I am doing a short course in interior decoration. Besides, I like cooking and designing clothes also। Renu is very good cook. Most of the cooking and household work is managed by her only। That is very good. For a girl, it is very important to know all this। Mummy, why don't we let Renu and Bhaiya talk to each other alone for a while? Mrs. Kapoor to Mr. Puri, Mrs. Puri, I think it is a good idea। Can we sit somewhere else for some time? क्या हम लोग कुछ देर कहीं और बैठ सकते हैं? Can we sit somewhere else for some time? Yes, why not? Let me know. Let me show you around. Then we can sit in the other room। Come, let us sit in the other room. Let Rahul and Renu talk to each other। All right। Rahul, which college did you attend? Gargi College। What were your subjects? What were your subjects? History, economics and English। What are your hobbies? Cooking and designing clothes। In my spare time, I also read novels and listen to music। What type of music? Light film songs and ghazal। Rahul, what are your expectations from a husband? Shyly, he should be loving, caring and understanding। Rahul, do you want to work after marriage? Renu, that depends on my in-laws and circumstances after marriage। Rahul, one last but very important question, being the only son, I'll also stay with my parents। Can you adjust in the family? Yes, sure। Now you two can ask me whatever you want। I would also like to know about your expectations from your wife। I want her to be my true friend and life partner। राहुल कह रहे हैं। Mrs. Kapoor, you have a nice and spacious house। Thank you। Mrs. Kapoor, yes, did you talk to each other? Mrs. Puri, please have another cup of tea or something cold। No thanks, I think we will make a move now। We hope to meet again soon। Mr. Puri, you have my phone number, I hope। Mr. Kapoor, yes, I have। Rahul to Renu. Bye. See you. Bye. Thank you. We will meet again in next video.